we're in beautiful Lake Forest, Illinois, one of the most perfect communities in all of Chicagoland. Hi, I'm Tami Hamilton Stough, your host of the American Dream TV, and today we're going to check out Elowa Farms, where we're going to pick up some beautiful seasonal items at their market and then take it back to one of my favorite homes to create a beautiful charcuterie board. Let's go check out the market. We're here at the last day of the Elowa Farms market, and my friend Liz, who we'll be meeting later to make a charcuterie board, recommended that I pick up some local organic honey. So I found some great stuff, and we're going to hit some other items as well. Elowa Farms was first designed in 1917 for a member of the Armour meatpacking family in Chicago. It was designed by famed architect David Adler, and Jens Jensen was the landscape architect. It perfectly embodies Lake Forest as an architectural beauty and reminiscence of its agricultural past. Today, it's been repurposed and runs as a nonprofit organization for local community to gather on the market days, enjoy the cafe, and host weddings and other events here. Elowa Farms is surrounded by the Middle Fork Savannah with 700 acres and 5 miles of beautiful walking trails. Perfect for watching the birds. Well, that's the farm. Next, we're going to go to a home in Lake Forest, which is quintessential for this area, the perfect blend of elegance and charm. My friend Liz is going to meet us there, and we're going to put together a charcuterie board with the items I picked up at the market. I've got everything that we bought at the Elowa Farms, plus a few more items from the market. So let's go meet my friend Liz Turnbaugh, the owner of My Charcuterie board, and put together a great entertaining board for the owners. Let's go do it. Liz, thank you so much for coming today. I'm so excited. I got everything that you told me to get, and you're gonna help me put together a great board for the homeowners of this house. But I don't know what to do, so will you show me?
Absolutely. So what we do at My Charcuterie, we really believe that a great charcuterie board consists of a few different food groups.
Okay.
Different meats, different cheeses, fruits, sometimes veggies if it allows for, dips, spreads, nuts, and a touch of chocolate. As I look at the different cheeses that we're gonna put on the board, is kind of thinking through how we're gonna display them. And I always reserve the right to change my mind and move things around. And the fun part is there's no rules. You really are, I always say that charcuterie is just, it's just like art class when you were a kid. There's no wrong answer. Food is your medium in this case. And we have a lot of fun doing it. I'm gonna use a champagne glass like this, and I'm gonna take some flat salami and fold it over the glass like this. It's gonna take me 3 pieces to cover the rim of the champagne glass. And then I put it in my hand and turn the glass, and voila.
Fantastic.
Isn't that pretty?
Liz, I think this looks amazing. Are we missing anything?
Every charcuterie is completely different. We're not missing anything, except every good charcuterie board is always paired with a beautiful wine.
Well, this house has a great wine cellar. Let me run down and get a bottle.
Perfect.
I got the bottle of wine. I'm gonna wait for my owner to get home, and we're going to enjoy this beautiful board. Thank you so much, Liz, for coming. This has been an absolute pleasure.
Thank you for having me, and I hope you guys enjoy this feast.
We will. This is my friend Martha, and she's going to help me enjoy this beautiful charcuterie board that we made and end our perfect day in Lake Forest. I'm Tami Hamilton Stough, the host of American Dream Selling Chicagoland. I'll see you next time. Cheers.